Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the cause. Check Windows version and recent updates, then create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, reboot into safe mode or clean boot to remove third-party interference. Next, use a shell extension tool to list non-Microsoft context menu handlers and temporarily disable them. This narrows the culprit quickly. Make sure to also pause real-time antivirus scanning, because it can hook Explorer and cause right-click crashes while you test. With safe mode or a clean boot active, run shell xview or auto runs and sort by non-Microsoft entries. You want to methodically disable suspects one at a time. After each disable, restart Explorer or log out and back in to test the right-click behavior, because incremental testing reveals the precise offender. Once identified, either update that application, uninstall it, or remove its context menu handler. This targeted removal prevents collateral disruption and restores Explorer. If disabling extensions didn't solve it, repair system integrity. Run sfc/scano, then dism restore health to fix corrupted system files that crash context menus. Once scans complete, clear Explorer icon and thumbnail cache and reset folder options to defaults, then restart Explorer. exe. If crashes persist, create a new user profile to check for per-user corruption, and only then consider an in-place repair install to keep apps and files. If something goes wrong, boot to safe mode and restore the restore point immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.